Weiss Financial Ratings Online has a variety of tools that can help you start, develop, or manage your financial plan at any stage. You'll have access to financial literacy tools, investment ratings, safety ratings, and a Medigap tool. You'll have access to over 40,000 investment ratings on stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs, as well as over 20,000 safety ratings on banks, credit unions, and insurance companies. You can get to Weiss Financial Ratings through Fort Bend County Library's homepage. Under the Research drop-down menu, you'll select Digital Resources and Databases. Once you arrive at Weiss's website, you'll be prompted to enter your library card number. If it is your first time, start by creating an account so you can save information across multiple sessions. Click on Sign Up at the top right, and then fill in the requested information. Once entered, click on Sign Up. This will be the information you'll use to sign in going forward if you want to access your previously saved information, such as any stocks on your watch list. Now, let's take a quick look at the different sections in Weiss Financial Ratings. Up first is the Financial Literacy Tools. In this section, you'll have access to a variety of topics to build your understanding and planning your financial future. The sections include Consumer Guides, Financial Literacy Basics, Planning for the Future, How to Become an Investor, Financial Literacy for Teens, and access to free financial planning tools. Let's take a look at one section. We'll go ahead and click on Financial Literacy Basics. From there, you can click on an image and download the full PDF. In this section, you'll see such topics as how to make and stick to a budget, buying a car and understanding auto insurance, and how to start a 401k. Once you download the PDF, you'll have unlimited access to this resource. Next up, let's tour the Investment Ratings section, which covers stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. All sections function similarly, and Weiss uses the same screen process for all. So we're going to go ahead and look at the stocks page. The main page will open, and you'll see the featured stock of the day, recent upgrades, the most active stocks, and the ratings distribution of stocks. Weiss uses a letter grading system and color code for its rankings. A's and B's are green for buy, C's are yellow for hold, and D's and lower are red for sell. If you're a novice investor or have a specific stock you're looking for, the quick search is a great way to start. You can search by company name or symbol, by ratings, prices, and more. You also have access to a quick search tutorial video by Weiss Financial. If you're a seasoned investor, you can build your own stock screener. Let's click on the stock of the day. You'll see a summary about the stock, price history, factors influencing the rating grade, and more. On the left side, you can select other sections related to the stock, plus a very helpful glossary. Also, if you've created an account and are signed in, you can click the star at the top right to add the stock to your watch list. Finally, you can always download a PDF report of the stock analysis. The safety ratings in Weiss Financial will help you make the right decision when choosing a new bank, credit union, or insurance company. The layout and screening process for each of these sections is the same and uses the same letter and color ratings as the investment ratings. If we look at the main page for banks, you'll see a similar layout to stocks, with a bank of the day featured, rating changes, and a quick search and build a screener tool. One thing different with the bank and insurance quick search is you can select to have banks that have branches just in your state, or insurance companies that are licensed in your specific state. When viewing a specific bank, credit union, or insurance company, just like in the investment ratings, you can click the star at the top right to add the company to your watch list, and you can also download a PDF report. Finally, let's take a look at the Medigap section. Weiss has a very helpful tool that helps you review your Medigap supplemental insurance provider options and their rates. To begin, you'll click Medigap. You will then be asked to enter your first and last name and an email address. By entering your email, you'll get a copy of the report sent to your inbox. Weiss Financial will not share your information with anyone, but if you'd rather not include that information, you can just enter your initials in the name fields and enter ignore@greyhouse.com as your email. Next, select your age and gender, enter your zip code, and click the Get Report button. Your customer report will then be generated, and you'll click View Report once created. A PDF copy will either download or open in your web browser. The report will provide basic information about Medigap, and then will provide your rates for the different Medigap plans, showing the safety rankings, the annual premium, and the monthly premium. The research will be done for you and takes just a matter of minutes. Finally, under the Help section, Weiss offers easy access tutorials on a variety of topics to help you learn more about the site. So whether you're just starting out with investing or a seasoned professional, Weiss Financial Ratings has something for everyone.